Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a full review of the Carote 11-piece pot and pan set. And I can tell you right off the bat, one of the things that I like the most about this is everything stacks inside of each other, and that's all the space that this will take up inside your cabinet. So if you don't have a whole lot of cabinet space, or you want to use these for camping or traveling in a motorhome, this will work out really well. And it comes with two lids right here, and I'll tell you one of the things that I really like about the lids. One, it has a hole for draining here. Two, is it doesn't have that lip all the way around like some of the other lids that I have, and it's harder to clean in there. That's not the case with these. Also, it comes with two storage lids, so once you're done cooking, you can also use the same pan for storage, put it in the fridge, whatever you want to do. And it comes with the smaller sauce pan or pot, I guess you would call it, a larger one, and then the smaller white granite, and once again, non-stick skillet here. And as you can see from this video here, I didn't use any oil, and still this barbecue teriyaki chicken didn't stick. And then we also have the larger pan here, more like my wok, and then of course the skillet. And one of my concerns originally were the handles, and I can tell you these lock in and they are solid. They're not going anywhere. And if you accidentally hit this button right here, it doesn't release. You actually have to pull in and pull back in order to release these. So overall, I've been really happy with these, and I've cooked with them a few times to test them out, and they've worked out really well.